Hey guys, it's Rugbone here today again, and today we have an announcement, and this is just gonna be the background for today's video, because I don't have anything else to put there. So, what you came here for is that the You Choose tutorial video is gonna be delayed for a little bit. Yeah, kinda stinks if you liked one of those videos. Cars. Yep, so that's it for today. Remember, like and subscribe. Goodbye.